Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to crop image in Figma. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So first, to begin, what you can do is open your Figma account and just click on new design and you will be routed into a blank page. What you can do to import an image easily here on Figma is that you can actually just open the folder or the file and then just simply drag and drop that here on your workspace, and it will automatically be uploaded in your Figma account. So once, or in your project rather, so once for us to be able to edit this, you can just simply click on the image and then under fill, click on the image once again, the word image, and then here you will be able to adjust the composition of the image. But for us to be able to crop this is that you just need to look for the word fill that's just right below the word image and then click on crop. As you can see, the corners of the image are now turned blue, which is an indication that you will be able to crop the image by dragging and placing them to where you want them to be. You can just adjust that anywhere you like. You can move it around, or you can just simply drag the corner to the center, depending on how you would like to edit or change the format of the image. You can also simply just click on or hold on Command if you're using Mac and Control if you're using a Windows. Just hold the Command or Control and then drag and drop the corners and you'll be able to crop the image that way as well. And that's basically it. That's how you'll be able to crop image here on Figma, and that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.